Hello friends, I am Soil Khan and Cisco certified trainer. I teach CCNA, CCNP and Python programming, and for online training you can contact me. This is my contact detail. Okay, so in today's practical what I'm going to show you I'm going to show you how to block HTTP service in Cisco Packet Tracer, how to block one host to access the HTTP service using extended access list in Cisco Packet Tracer. So don't forget to watch the video till the end, because in this video each and everything is very much important for you guys. And if you are a new subscriber, please subscribe the channel. And if you don't know how to go to my channel and watch the previous videos, so here just go to the YouTube and type CCN Expert. CCN Expert is the name of my channel, because if you want to become an expert, learn from expert. And don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for the notification. And in the playlist section you will get all the videos related to CCNA, CCNP, Python programming, Hindi language, English language. In both the language I have made. Alright, so let's start the video without wasting the time. So our today's motive is blocking one host to access the HTTP service. So now in this scenario, I want to block this host 10001 to access the HTTP service of 30004 server. So first let's check whether this host is able to access the service or not. So just go to this host and just try to ping the server. All right, ping 30004. Yes, it is pinging. Okay, now let's check whether this host is able to access the HTTP service. So 30.0.0.4. Yes, so this host is able to ping also and access the HTTP service also. Now I want to block the HTTP service for this host. It means this host can able to ping the server but not able to access the HTTP service. Alright, so how to do this? Just go to R3 router, alright, and create an access list. Configure terminal, access list 160, means create an extended access list in which deny, okay, deny TCP protocol, the host coming from 10001 and which is going to host 30004. EQ means equivalent to port number 80. HTTP port number is 80. Alright, and plus I have to write the permit statement also. Permit IP any, and I will go to the serial port which is nearest to foreign host. Interface serial 0/3/0. IP access group 160 for all incoming packets. Alright. Now if I check show access list, it shows me see www, means blocking a 10001 to accessing a HTTP service on 30004. Now let's check. If again I go to this computer and if I again do the ping, like ping 30.0.0.4, yes, it is pinging. Alright, but if I try to access the web browser 30.0.0.4, now it is not happening. Dot 4, sorry, 0.0.4. See, it is not able to do anything. Nothing is showing over here. So it means I have blocked the HTTP service for this particular host. Now I want to remove this blocking service. So I will go to my R3 router once again and config mode no access list 160. Now access list is removed. Show access list. Now it is removed. Now if I go to this computer and check the HTTP service 30.0.0.4. So now, yeah, now this computer is able to access the HTTP. So this is how you can block the HTTP service for one single host, and this is how you can remove the service. In my next video I'm going to show you how to block the HTTP service for a whole network. So don't forget to watch the next part, which is lecture number 24. This is lecture number 23. All right, and how you feel about my lecture, please comment in a comment section. And if you are not subscribed till now, please subscribe to the channel. And for online training you can contact me. This is my contact detail: IT, CCNA, CCNP and Python programming. And this will be live online training on Skype software. I give 100% expertization guaranteed. All right, thanks for watching my channel, and thanks for your love and support. Don't miss to watch the next part. Thank you.